All right, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to take a look at free PayPal money, earn $2 every 60 seconds. Is it possible? Indeed it is. Anyways, please first subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell as well. You'll be notified of any new videos I have coming out. Also, if you want to make a full-time passive income, make money while you sleep, make money while you're on vacation, get out of the rat race, turn your passions into profits, please check out the #1 recommendation in the link below as well. There's a free community there, free membership, 2 free websites, a whole really cool thing there you can get involved with. That's what I use and thousands of other use as well to start making money online. Anyways, let's get into this. There's going to be 3 sites here today. The first one is Enroll, enrollapp.com. The links will be in the video description below, of course, for these as well. So basically, you just sign up, create an account, and you're just going to be given like user feedback on different things. Take tests anywhere. You can do this, you know, on your computer, your tablets, phone, whatever. Earn rewards and get paid via PayPal. All these companies I'm going to mention today pay via PayPal. So these ones are just like, here's an example test, sample test for you here. So you just go in here. Let's begin. Welcome to sample test. You know, they're going to be asking questions about apps and logos and whatever. To begin with this question, click where you might get inspiration for upcoming trips. So it wants to see where you're going to click on this image. Inspiration. You can click on anywhere. Let's say Rome, and continue. What does this page make you feel? And you know, it gives you some different answers here. Let's see: trip to New York, anticipation, joy. Maybe some fear, who knows, going to New York. I mean, I live in New York, but anyway, surprise. Continue. I'm just doing this for a demo. So how does this make you feel? So basically, folks, you're just going to be giving feedback on different websites and different things like that, and you're going to get paid for it for PayPal. This is an example. You can go to the site, check it out yourself, create an account, and get started, get paid. The next one up is User Crowd, kind of the same thing. Earn money giving design feedback. Become a tester now. You just click on that link. Again, PayPal payments. Once you reach $10, you will get paid. You're eligible for payments. Become a tester now. You just sign up. It's really cool. Check it out. Okay, so the next one is Validately. These guys, same thing. You'll be testing products and stuff like that, and testing websites. I mean, not products, but different things and giving feedback. And this one, you can there's a little app you install that you can record your voice while you're giving the feedback, so they know what you're thinking. They have the apps as well for your phone and stuff like that. These ones have some higher paying gigs though. You get up to $100 here in some of these studies. They do take a little bit longer, but it's a good opportunity. And again, they have a computer, you need a computer with a microphone, an Apple or Android smartphone for mobile studies. And basically, like I said, you're talking while you're giving the feedback as well. Like I would say, okay, well, frequently asked questions. What do I need to start? You don't have to read the whole website, but you just give your thoughts out loud, basically. And that's pretty cool. So anyways, folks, that is it. There's 3 websites right there to start making PayPal money right now. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Check my back videos. I have lots of videos, hundreds of videos about making money online. Check that out as well. Check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below for that. Really cool stuff, folks. I will talk to you soon.